Hello and welcome to Mind Vomit. For all you zombie lovers, Adobe Illustrator art lovers, and people who just like art and drawing and things like that, you'll like this video because today I decided to draw a zombie, kind of like a zombie looking farmer in like a tan tone paper with ink pens and white pencil or whatever. And so I'm working on things for my up and coming shop, merchandise and stickers and t-shirts and earrings and things like that. And so I've been looking at some of my artwork that I would like to release as stickers or t-shirts, and I'm going through and actually drawing them out in Illustrator so I can actually use those files to make actual products from, which will be coming in the future here soon. So in this video, I'm just kind of going through and laying out this zombie farmer that I conjured up in my head. Overall, I like how it turned out. I'm glad that I took the time to actually catch all my little pen strokes and things like that, because it actually makes it look really good. But anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. Keep your eye out for when I open my store. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. And here we go.